Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. If it could be more bare, it actually got that way. There is hardly anything. Oh, I'm zoomed. There's hardly anything left. Look at this. I got a tiny little bit of poplar, a little bit of damp oak. Look at this. There's nothing left here. Nothing. Look here. Empty. 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 Tiny little bit of pine. 2 more empty bays. Those will be ready in a couple weeks. Even that I had to pull some out of. Wow. I haven't got to filling these yet. All empty. It has been crazy. But it's cold. It is cold and people are burning firewood. So really, really busy. I never did finish this job. The other day I was working at it, but I ran out of steam. But anyway, I want to finish this little bit so I can plow or snowblow in here, but it became a lower priority. By the end of the day, I was on some other projects. Getting these racks filled is going to be the #1 priority. The observant of you will notice a clearing in the snow. Do you notice it? Do you remember what was there? I'll give you a second. I sold my landscaping trailer and decided to minimize the amount of equipment I have here to get money to invest in other equipment. And I'm concentrating my time, money, and energy onto fewer things. So I had been tossing that around back and forth for a while, what I was going to do with that trailer. Fix it up. I never did finish fixing it up. And I found a guy that actually repairs trailers that was very, very happy to get it. And already has it absolutely completely finished the day after he got it. So that's good. That's serving him well. And the money has helped me out with my firewood business. So let's turn around and I'll show you my goals. This thing is currently all dismantled again, because I am doing some maintenance work on it. I want to get a bracket on here. I'm going to put the lights on here, and then I'm going to put framing around it to fix it, because my brand new trailer light on the other trailer got broke on me, and that is quite frustrating. That so makes me consider, okay, no point in putting lights on here unless it's protected, because it's going to get broke. People are running around a trailer hauling firewood or doing whatever, or machines and equipment, it's going to get broke off. So I'm going to take them off. I'm literally just, I think, going to take these brackets, drill holes, and mount the lights on here, and then I'm going to put a board or some kind of a case around that on top and behind it, so if anyone or anything comes running around there, they'll hit that board and not the light. So reworking everything here. And I think I had the bracket for that. I don't remember if I bought that or not. But then the spring shackles, I've got the right tools now to take that apart easier. So I'm going to see if I can get those to turn off. It's just really, really, really cold today. But I want to replace, I got to get the proper spring shackle bolts for that and replace them. I do have the brand new tires. The sale of the trailer helped me pay that off. That was on credit. And they were quite expensive because they're 10 ply and something like, what were they, almost 5,000 pound capacity. So I got them paid off, and that's a nice thing, reducing the cost. And then I'm going to reinforce the deck some more for the crane and cover up the electronics and secure things better. And then I want to put a toolbox on the front. So I'm not quite sure I might have to make it triangular or something, but I want to have a battery in here. I also want to possibly put a solar panel, but it's going to have a protective board for travel. And then I can put my gear in here when I'm going down the road, chainsaws and whatever else I might need, tie downs and anything else. So this is where I'm going to put my time and money, rebuilding this and improving it even more. So this is where I spend my time now. Oh, my birds are upset with me. They should move, not me. I'm a little bit bigger than them. This is where I spend my time. Well, there's not much left here anymore, but I should say hauling firewood to and from customers is where I spend my time now. It's so busy, it keeps me going. So I don't get a lot of time for videos. I would like to get starting videos like early morning hours, because I still want to do the battery videos, those lithium-ion battery packs I'm going to make my own self, and I've got all the parts for it. I want to get into that series, but just trying to get into a routine, because I'm going to have to start work on that before the sun comes up each day to get my videos out to you guys, because once the sun is up, I'm on the road out and about hauling firewood to and fro. And that's it. That's my day. I get home around dark, sometimes a little after dark, and then dinner time, shower, bedtime, and start a new day again. So I really hope to get going. I have a lot of cool stuff to share with you. It's just a matter of getting a routine and getting the time to do that. It's really busy. Do check out Country Wood Products channel. I am trying to get some videos out there. And I got a really awesome, amazing, I think the best, I should say, birthday gift I've ever got in my life. So that's going to be on Country Wood Products. Check it out, guys. It's really, really cool. It is ginormous. So I hope you guys will subscribe if you haven't over there. I am going to start taking my camera with me in the field when I'm getting firewood and delivering firewood, processing firewood, and try to get more videos up there. I also got some cool products I'm going to share with you as I work each day. Not going to be a daily video thing, but I'm going to try to get going one or two a week as I can. But again, I got to get into a routine, because it's just really, really busy. Go with the right in the middle of the home heating season, and just with the oil prices, the heating oil prices are higher, electricity is higher, propane is higher, natural gas is higher, fuel oil is higher, everything is higher, and a lot of people are turning to firewood. So it is just amazingly busy. Anyway, very brief video. It's really cold today, and I'm sort of taking a day off. Not really. I'm working on security systems some more. I don't think I'll ever stop improving security, but it's pretty good, I have to say. And I might do a video on what you should not do and what will not work in the future. I do have a system I'm going to review, so stay tuned for that. Really cool system that's very good. So I'll be doing that here, finishing that up pretty soon too. Anyway, let's get inside and get this video up to you guys. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, check out Country Wood Products for some cool videos, and see what I got for my birthday.